Alright, today I'm going to be putting new rear shocks on my 1975 Corvette. I just got some cheap KYBs off of Rock Auto. Replaced these old Monroes. It's been on for who knows how long. I've got a car lift, but it's got side pipes on it, so it's hard to get on the car lift. So I got it on jack stands. I've got a little jack underneath it, just supporting the trail arm a little bit, so these bolts don't have tension on them. These 1.5 ton Harbor Freight aluminum jacks are nice for little stuff like this, but I'd always use a bigger jack to jack the cars up. These ones want to wobble a little bit. I've got a 3-ton jack for actually jacking them up. But the bottom nut on mine was on with 3/4. The top was 5/8 and 11/16 nut on the back. I already loosened those. So let's see if this will pull out. Okay. Now, cut it off the top. It's actually coming out way easier than I figured it would. Washer fell off the bottom. It's really pretty easy. Let's see if these are bad. They're definitely stiff, I'll say that. They've been on there for quite a while. Here's the difference. I will do it in reverse and take it for a test ride. Let's see. Phone's going off. Got an alarm for laundry. Washer back on. Here's the nut. Looks like got this jack under here. Wheel out of the way. Should be able to. It's almost there. Jack it up a little bit more. I'll just go get a punch. I've been done already. There. Slide the bolt back in. If it goes in hard, don't hammer it. You'll mess up the threads, and you will have a bad day. Okay. Put the nut back on the back. I'm not sure what everything's supposed to be torqued to, so I'll just snug it up for now and look that up later. Put my impact on the lower setting. Definitely don't want them loose. That would be good. But you don't want to over-tighten them either. See, I'm gonna get in the way of the camera probably. Alright. Now, it's pretty much installed. I'm gonna throw my 1/2-inch wrench with the socket on it. Check that on the bottom. I always just hand tighten everything. Once you get used to your impact, you can use it too. See, that must not be 3/4, that's 5/8. If I can find the socket I got laying around here somewhere. Oh, I haven't took it out yet. Big dummy. But, it's pretty easy. Unless you got all stuck hardware. then it might be a pain in the butt. But I wouldn't think it would do too awful bad. I tried breaking it loose with the ratchet. That definitely wasn't going to happen very easy. But I stuck an impact on it. Just careful with it, so I didn't try to break it. Because if you break it, that would suck. Stupid light. Because you aren't really going to push it through the other side. This box is in here. So if you break it off on this side, then you're going to have to cut the bolt out. Yeah, it'll be fine. Alright, now I'll go do the other side and take it for a ride. I've already got the front on. So, thanks. Alright, got them both finished up. Let's see how it feels. Oh yeah, it's gonna ride way better now, it's got to. But while I was sitting here, the old UPS man showed up. And I know what this is. These boxes just don't want to come out. It is my autometer gauge tack for my 67 Camaro. I bought a full gauge kit off a guy, and for some reason the tack's not working. So we're going to give this one a try, see how she does. Hoping it works, I won't have any problems. Also going to be putting QA1 shocks on the back of my 67 Camaro. Bunch of stuff. If you guys want to see some videos on it, just let me know. Alright, thanks. Alright, back from the test drive. The butometer said 10 out of 10 improvement. It actually rides pretty good now for still being old stock suspension. When I got it, it was sitting in some guy's field. It used to be brown. It's got a rattle can white paint job on it for now until I decide what color I want to go with. It's got really nice brown interior. It just needs cleaned up a little bit. It's actually pretty nice interior. It's got new carpet in it. I think I might go with orange. My stepdad's got an orange 75, but he's changing the color on it, so